Natutulog pa ba si Vector? Nawawala po mascot natin pero hindi ito magpapatigil sa ating episode. Today is Friday. Tama, Friday ngayon. Today is Friday, May 3, and it's 2:33 p.m. in the afternoon right now. Ubod pa rin ng init dito sa Malolos at saka sa totoo lang wala naman tayong magagawa. I am going to be joined by two of our guests pero tinakwil na ako nung co-host ko. Siya naman yung nasa behind the scenes. Next episode, tsak siyang mailalagay ko rito. Okay. Welcome back to Vector's Tales. Again, mascot natin natutulog right now sa ilalim ng kama. IT head, kunin mo mamaya si Vector. Siya outro natin. Siya maging outro natin. Ngayon, okay lang. Now, we have two very special guests with us. One of our guests is a world-renowned author, a consistent honor student from the Immaculate Conception School of Malolos Senior High School, has authored numerous books where 3 were Amazon bestsellers and Amazon's best titles, and was a special keynote presenter in Arizona State University. Ladies and gentlemen, Jean Carril de la Cruz. Yun, di ko na kailangan i-note sa technical team. Now, for our second guest. He is an honor student at the Immaculate Conception School of Malolos Senior High School, an author of hundreds of books, and as well as a special keynote presenter at the University of the Philippines Diliman for Cybercrime Prevention Month. Ladies and gentlemen, Allen Ferrer. Thank you, technical team. Well, guys, welcome sa Vector's Tales. Unfortunately, hindi nyo makakasama muna ang ating mascot. Tinatamad pa din. Pero, bago tayo mag-hello kay Vector mamaya, kamusta kayong dalawa? Carril, how are you today?
I'm okay, and I'm so happy to be na-invite ako as one of your guests.
Meron bang special events or may mga special keynotes ka ba na attendan in the future, or like may campaigns ka bang nakaplano?
Right now, wala pa naman.
So stay tuned sa ating mga viewers diyan. How about you, Allen?
Thanks for having me here. My situation will be just like Jean Carril over here. We're going to have to stay tuned for any future events. And thank you for having me here as always.
Grabe, ba't ang daming low-key ngayon sa buhay natin? Pati kayo, nagiging low-key na. Ayaw nyo magsabi.
We like to be humble.
Okay na. Sige. Hindi na magko-comment. Okay. So, obviously, kahit ano tayo dito, like I said, usually si Vector nandiyan sa tabi nyo. Pero, mamaya na yun. So, ang magiging topic natin is your guys' fortes, so to say, which is cybercrime prevention. So, para sa inyo, what is cybercrime? How about you, Allen? What is cybercrime to you?
To me, cybercrime is the act of exploiting one's data and gaining unauthorized access to that said data and selling it to other people without the user's consent.
So basically, it's internet's users' vulnerability online. Okay. How about you, Carril? Ikaw ba?
For me, cybercrime is an illegal activity that uses internet or computer makapangloko ng ibang tao.
Actually, ano tawag dito, na this came to my attention from one of our technical heads at saka nabasa ko na rin, na-confirm ko na kasi ano tawag dito, cybercrime din yung pag-spread ng false information obviously. Pero mamaya na natin pag-uusapan. You guys have helped at least the entire campuses of the schools, of the universities na naging resource speaker kayo. UP has around, I think, 15,000 undergrads. Allen has helped at least 15,000 din. And si Carril at ASU, I think undergrads nila is around 20k naman. So, I mean, props palakpakan naman natin tong dalawang guests natin. Props sa inyong dalawa. So, cybercrime. So, prevention din ang advocacy nyo. So, let's dive into cybercrime and tingin nyo yung 5 topics na to, ano yung naging cause neto, nagiging problem to users online kung bakit sila na bibiktima, and ano yung pwede nilang gawin to mitigate certain problems na ma-encounter nila. Hey Future Rafael, just wanted to stop by and tell you about our episode sponsor, Wix. Have you ever wanted to build a website that truly reflects your vision? Well, guess what? We did it, and we did it with Wix. With Wix's intuitive and interactive user interface, allowed us to create every inch of our website exactly the way we imagined it. From sleek designs to eye-catching features, we had the freedom to customize it all without pulling our hair out of frustration. And the best part, it's absolutely free. That's right, with Wix, you can bring your online dreams to life without breaking the bank. But wait, there's more. A special treat for all new users out there. We've got a promo code just for you. VectorsTale50. Use it at checkout and enjoy a whopping 50% off your first subscription. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Wix today and unleash your creativity like never before. Wix, where dreams meet reality and websites come to life. Back to you, Rafael. Like I said kanina, online scams. So, obviously lahat tayo naka-experience ng online scams, especially sa pambansang marketplace, Shopee at kay Lazada. Personally, naranasan ko na to. Pero kayong dalawa ba, as cybercrime prevention advocates, have you experienced any online scams personally, or may mga kakilala ba kayo na scam online? Ikaw ba, Alan?
I know a person, and that's my mother. What happened was she bought an AVR of a website. It was her first time shopping online. When the AVR came, she noticed that the cord that was supposed to be attached to the AVR was cut off.
So basically, sira.
She made the complaint, and that's it.
How about you, Karil? Ikaw ba?
Same kay Allen. Na online scam din yung mother ko. One time, bumili siya ng isang product. Babasagin kasi yun. Para mabasagin na glass. Parang
dumating basag. Sabi ko na nga ba. Okay.
Nung made in China pa yata yun galing.
Kaya pala made in China pala. Kaya malalang masira. Okay.
Glass pa. So
anong ginawa ng parent, ng mother mo? Anong ginawa niya? To report?
Kinontak niya muna yung seller kung pwedeng ibalik kasi basag na talaga eh. So, hindi siya nag-respond. So, nangyari. Hindi na
Same
nabili.
thing happened to us.
Ano yan? Again, Alan?
Same thing happened to us. Mom made a complaint to the seller, and the seller made an excuse, and that was it. End of story.
Okay, well, ano tayo dito? Wala tayong magagawa doon, to be honest with you. And, Mama, let's hold off the advices for now muna so that we can keep on the podcast rolling. So, hey again everyone, this is Future Rafael again to talk about our second sponsor, which is Nobody. We had a sponsor pitch before, but they didn't really pursue the contract, so we were kind of left in the air. We did email them a couple of times if they wanted to pursue the contract, but they didn't really reply to us. So, yeah, this is kind of an awkward segment, but just wanted to say hello. Back to you guys. Ngayon, going into the final topic. Ang final topic natin is trolling. So, sa pagkakita ko sa likod, lumabas na yung pusa natin, lumabas na yung mascot, pero natutulog pa din. Anyway, so going back, sa trolling is, yun yung, yun yung impulsive na, or in a case, sarcastic way, ang pag-aasar. So, naranasan, kasi ako personally, naranasan ko na yun numerous times, especially tuwing nagpapalit ako ng Facebook profile picture. Doon lagi nangyayari sa akin yun. Pero how about you guys? May mga different cases ba na naranasan nyo yung trolling? Ikaw ba, Alan? How about you?
Okay, meron ako naranasan kung saan ako nag-post sa messenger ko ng isang video na kumakanta ko. Tapos meron nag-respond din ng wow, amazing. Nagkaroon ng tawanan sa group chat. Nagalit ako noon. From that point on, konti na lang yung kung anong pinopost ko sa any social media or
So
paminsan
it's
not
like,
at all.
ano tayo dito, parang na-hit yung mental, ano ba, parang mental health, I guess? Kung,
Yeah,
yeah,
it made me paranoid.
yeah, okay. Ikaw ba, Karil? May na-experience ka na ba na ganon?
Wala pa naman.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Swerte mo talaga. Swerte Okay. Okay. So, ano tayo dito? Among all of the 5 topics na meron tayo kanina, na natakal natin kanina, siguro, what was one specific topic na really stuck with you? Like yung, pag nag-isip ka, ay, oo nga pala, nangyari sa akin to. Ikaw ka rin. Ano yun?
Siguro yung
Feeling ko alam ka na
Fishing.
sasabihin mo fishing. Okay. Okay. Mali ang nahula ko. Okay. Fishing. Okay. Ikaw ba, Allen?
Wala pa naman gano kasi konti lang ang media na napapanood ko na nagre-resonate sa akin.
Okay. So, I mean, siguro that kind of caps off the conversation. But to the viewers out there na potentially new users sa internet, new viewers din sa ating podcast. I mean, tulog po yung mascot sorry talaga. Ano yung mabibigay nyo sigurong tips or advice so that sa lahat ng mga cybercrimes na natakal natin, pwedeng maiwasan yun ng ating mga viewers at ng mga new users sa internet. Ikaw, Alan.
Okay, para sa akin, for all the new users out there, be sure to keep your uploads low-key and fewer, like let's say 1 to 3, 5 at the maximum.
Para siguro hindi na ma-affect pa yung mental and psychological.
That's correct. And always go outside and seek advice from close people that you know, like your parents, your loved ones, your friends.
How about you?
siguro click before you think before you click. Para dapat and maging aware din tayo sa mga nangyari para hindi mangyari sa atin yung mga ganong cybercrimes.
Okay, I think that's a very great way to end this episode of Vector's Tales. Ito tumatakbo ang ating IT head. Ayun, gising na pala si Vector. Pwede ba nating mapakita si Vector? Okay, pwede ba nating pasok ka dito, pumunta ka dito, pakita mo si Vector. Ayan po ang mascot natin, si Vector. Ngayon lang nagpakita, sana hindi mangalmot. Okay. So Vector, Vector, ikaw ba? Ano tingin mo for cyber? Okay. Sige. Okay. Sige. Okay, sige. Allen, anyari? Allen. Okay, so ayaw talagang magsalita ni Hello there, Vector. Ayaw mo ba? Okay, sige. Sige, hindi na wag pag nagsalita yan, matakot ka na. Okay. Okay, but anyways, that wraps up our episode of cybercrimes, threats and hazards to media information. Thank you to Karil and to Allen for joining us in today's episode. And ano tayo dito? Make sure to subscribe sa ating channel. Make sure to follow our Spotify podcast page. And as well as, if you don't mind, punta kayo sa ating merch store. Kasi hindi talaga tayo binabayaran ng ating sponsors. But until then, thank you for watching and see you on the next episode. Bye kayo.